Yantai Chengtai Construction Machinery Company Limited is a factory in Yantai City, Shandong, China. Manufacture hydraulic breaker for any brand excavator. We have CNC processing, milling machine, machinery center processing, drilling machine, heat treatment factory, vertical grinder, horizontal grinder, polish workers, piston grinding machine, assemble, painting, design and engineer department to meet all your needs. Our factory will test every hydraulic good before loading. Customers' satisfaction is always our first priority. Yantai Chengtai always bring you the best quality and best service to achieve win-win situation. We are a factory manufacturer excavator front attachment. Hydraulic breaker is our main product. Before assemble, we have quality control check every spare part for breaker and all spare parts are in stock. Our breaker could fit to 0.5 to 70 ton, any brand excavator, skid steer, loader and backhoe loader. OEM is okay. MOQ 1 set. Our success is measured by our customers' success. Welcome to inquiry us.